Okay, so this is this week's Sunday lunch. Passion fruit, papaya, fruit salad. And we have cassava, or kapia, tapioca, and taro. Those are baked in the umu. This is corned beef with sinapi and also with the huli. All mixed in one. Baked salmon with tomato and onion. And this is the kihiufi, yam and papaya, coconut cream baked in the umu. And this is chicken with kaluku, baked in the umu also. Pork leg over here, baked in the umu also. It looks beautiful. Scrambled eggs mixed together with the prawn on this dish. And this is the chicken sushi over here. So that's this week's Sunday lunch.
Come have fastest one.
Taka said, roll your hamming.
Yep.
You're eating healthy.
Yep.
Hey, hey. You know how to claim hey?
Salmon, prawns, and sushi.
Come right?
How much?
Hi, Fofo. What are you having?
How much?
Taro, gaufi, and some.
Lucky? And this week, this is what I have on my plate. Salmon, sushi, a bit of pork, taro, tapioca, corned beef with baby taros also and coconut cream, and chicken baked in the umu. They've got the thigh and the drumstick with kaluku. And this is my favorite combination. Here's that ulumutua. So that's what he's having.
Yeah. I'm just having a taro corned beef combination. Yam taki. Instead of using the taro as the usual stuff, we just use the yam with papaya and coconut cream. This one here is pretty much my favorite. It's a lot sweeter, lighter than the taro one. Island style pork and the umu. Fat piece of pork. This yam here is premium. That's not the usual yam they sell in the supermarkets overseas, those little tiny stuff. This is the island yam with it weigh up to anything like about, can be more than 10 kilos for one. They come in all different sizes. So this one here is a lot sweeter and a lot lighter than the taro. With my pork, I dip it in a hot sauce, like a chili sauce. Just a combination of. Man, that was really nice with this fat. So this is pretty much the next best one out of the lot, which is the sinapi. Normally, you bake the taro separately and the corned beef separately. This very genius chef, I don't know who made a combination all in one, 2 in 1, taro and corned beef, all done up. Oh man, I tell you, No need to serve them separately. You just serve one and you get the whole thing with the whole deal. Gotta do some work over here now.
Multitasking, working, eating.
So those of you guys that just seeing our channel, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next lunch hour. So feel free to let us know or join us for lunch anytime you're around. Hiya.
Okay, so this is my plate that I'll be eating. I've shown you before, corned beef there, taro, there's pork, sushi, and the salmon right there. Whoa. Going around and around. Chicken with kaluku. There's chicken and kaluku right there. And then coming around, ooh, taro baked in the umu and kapia or cassava or tapioca there at the bottom. Sinapia and corned beef. Pork.
Oh, you had it.
Hello. As you can see, now it's raining. Pork baked in the umu just tastes beautiful. Those kids have the earthy oven taste. Salt, a little bit more for the pork. Baby taros are nice and soft. Look at that fat. Life on the rock. Woo! Check this out. Thanks, hey. That drink is beautiful. It's got passion fruit in it, papaya, mixed Sprite, I think. Wonderful, nice. Finishing off my pork. Ooh. Wonderful drink. This is the baby taros with the sinap and coconut cream that was baked in the umu. So it's nice. Now for some salmon. Nice and moist. Tomato. A bit more salmon. While I'm eating, I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank a lot of you guys who've been supporting the channel. I'm starting to see quite a few of you regular people that's been commenting on all the videos. I just want to say thank you very much for all your support. It means a lot. It helps keep the channel going. The more viewers, the more subscribers we have, the more chances of us earning something that will help contribute in maintaining and for the running of our channel. We are just very grateful for all the support so far that we've seen through your comments. So keep on commenting. And for those who haven't subscribed or haven't made a comment yet, don't be afraid to do so. If I will, once again. Last piece of salmon left. Nearly done with my plate now. So I only got the chicken left. I got the sushi here. I love it when we pick the chicken from the store. We put it in the umu, the whole chicken. Put it in the umu with the Kaluku leaves and bake them together. For some reason, it's just the combination makes it taste so beautiful. Really nice taste, different taste. Somehow I think the Kaluku flavor, it just gets infused into the meat of the chicken. And when you eat it, so good. Awesome taste as always. Chicken and Kaluku, baked in the umu, never fails. One of my favorite combinations of the chicken. There we go. Now finishing this off. Finger licking good, they say. As always, thank you very much once again for joining in with us. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Press subscribe below. Don't forget to press also the bell for your notification for more new videos that we have. Thank you very, very much for tuning in. You take care out there and peace.